Hey guys, happy hump day. Hopefully you're having an awesome Wednesday, getting through the week. Today we're back with another one. This one is a meal bar by Impromy. It's like improve with my on the end, but anyway. Calories on this guy. It's supposed to be like a meal replacement bar, by the way, so I'm assuming the stats are going to be pretty equal. They normally are on this kind of bar. This bar is more like a dieting bar and not really so much for someone who's going to the gym who wants to have a higher sort of protein. So this one here, stats are 978 kilojoules. Doesn't list the calories on here. It's a bit under 250 calories, so it's about 240 or something like that. 13 grams of protein, 11.1 grams of fat. So again, we're seeing that sort of quite even stat range. 11 fat is quite high for 200 calories, and then you got 18.4 grams of carbohydrates, so not that many carbs. Not a great ratio because you want to keep your fat a little bit lower than that, but it's not super bad. And then fiber in this is 8.8 with about 5 grams additional polydextrose, which is that soluble fiber. So it's got a whole list of stack of vitamins and everything on the back here, just shoots all the way down. I don't really pay much attention to that kind of stuff because I normally get it either through Whole Foods or just take a multivitamin. That's sort of like a little bit of an insurance policy. Hopefully it does something. So let's have a look at this bar. Looks like a muesli bar, to be honest, with nuts and berries and everything. And oh, flavor. So flavor is, this is whole grain with protein, cranberries, chai, and chocolate. So it's that sort of, you can definitely see yeah, you can see everything. It's got nuts and everything in it, so it should taste pretty good. Definitely tastes cranberries. Yeah, it definitely tastes a lot of nuts and everything in it. Tastes pretty good. Oh, almost just died. I'm a little partial to these little seedy kind of bars. I like them. The only problem with these kind of bars is normally they have a lot of nuts in them, and nuts have a lot of fat in them, so they're quite hard to fit in your diet. If you're not gymming as much and you don't need to keep your protein as high, then something like this might fit into your diet. Yeah, just heaps of textures, a lot of sort of natural sort of textures, just seeds and grains. Got nuts in there, got your cranberries in there. To be honest, I don't really know what chai tastes like. But yeah, it's nice, it's really clean, I like that. There's no artificial sort of flavours in that you normally get with a lot of protein bars. Overall, I'd expect it to be a lot more healthy for you, but maybe not the best weight loss option. And people seem to always get those two confused. So, that's Improve Me. It's like improve with my on the end program. I don't know what kind of services they offer, but this is just one of the bars at the shops. And again, another option for you guys to pick up if you are looking for something clean, sort of healthy, I guess. Stats aren't very good on it because the fat's a little too high, but overall it's quite nice. Very nourish because of all those nuts and seeds. Rating for this is going to have to be probably a 7.1. I like the flavour. The only thing is that I guess most people, very generically, you want to keep protein high because one, it's sort of harder for your body to break down, so you sort of get more bang for your buck, if that makes sense. It makes you feel fuller and all this kind of stuff because your body has to burn a lot more calories to process it. And you normally want to have a lot of protein, not a lot, but a moderate amount of protein, just to make sure that you're always trying to build muscle and you got that there to replenish any sort of breaking down of your muscle tissue and stuff like that. The reason that is important for dieting and keeping your weight under control is just muscle takes more energy to sustain during the day. So that's why normally males can eat more than females. And it sort of just gives you a little bit of an insurance policy for maybe splurging on the weekends and that kind of stuff. So overall, but it's a good tasting bar. It's just the stats, the fat is a little bit high. So that's it for today, guys. And again, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.